Hi, I'm Gabriel, a solar applications engineer here at NAW Solar Electric. Here's another common question. Is it safe to connect my solar panels during the day? This is a common concern, especially for DIY installers and first-time solar owners, because solar panels produce electricity whenever there's sunlight. So let's break down what's actually happening and how to do it safely. Solar panels start producing voltage as soon as light hits them. So unlike regular household wiring, you can't just turn them off during the day. That leads many people to wonder whether connecting panels in daylight is safe or if it can damage equipment. It can be safe if it's done correctly. The main risk isn't the sunlight itself, it's connecting panels to equipment that isn't ready to receive power. If panels are connected before the charge controller or the inverter is powered and configured, you can damage sensitive electronics, especially MPPT charge controllers. That's why connection order matters. In most off-grid and grid interactive systems, the safe sequence looks like this. Connect batteries first. This powers up the charge controller or inverter. Confirm settings and system voltage. Make sure everything is configured correctly. Connect solar panels last. Now the controller is awake and ready to manage incoming power. Following this order allows the system to regulate voltage and current safely, even in full daylight. There are a few additional best practices to make daytime connections even safer. Use DC-rated disconnects and breakers. Wear insulated gloves and eye protection. Cover panels or work early or late in the day to reduce output. Never connect or disconnect MC4 connections under load. And always follow the manufacturer's instructions. They're written to protect both you and the equipment. If you're unsure about your system's layout, voltage limits, or connection order, it's worth slowing down and asking for help. At NAW Solar Electric, we walk customers through the safe installation practices every day. Whether you're building a full system or expanding an existing one, we can help. Connecting solar panels during the day can be safe, but only when the system is designed and energized in the right order. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other commonly asked questions to build smarter and safer solar energy systems.